So WhatsApp finally has usernames. And if you've seen this new feature, you might be wondering, is it actually safe to use? Well, the answer is yes, but there are a couple of things you should know first. The biggest benefit is privacy. Think about it. Before this feature, if you wanted to message someone on WhatsApp, you had to share your phone number. Maybe it's someone you're buying something from online, a delivery driver, or just someone you don't really know. Now, instead of giving out your phone number, you can simply share your username. That means your personal number stays private, which is a huge improvement. Another nice thing is that people can't just randomly search your name like they can on Instagram or other social media apps. They'll need to know your exact username to find you, so it's much harder for strangers to come across your account. Now, here's where you need to be careful. When you create your username, don't just pick something obvious like your full name or your birthday. The easier it is to guess, the easier it is for people to find you. Also, take a minute to check your privacy settings after creating your username. Depending on your settings, people who know your username might be able to message you directly. One more thing, because usernames hide your phone number, you may only see someone's username instead of their actual number. That's great for privacy, but if someone changes their username later, it could be a little harder to recognize who they are. For most people, it's actually a big step forward for privacy. Just make sure you choose a unique username and review your privacy settings before you start using it. What do you think about WhatsApp usernames?